You may be wondering, is your yeast still okay? We'll show you how to check that. Hi and welcome back. If you have some yeast that's been sitting around for a while, you might want to check it to make sure it's still okay before using it in your recipe. So all you have to do is take some warm water, sugar, your yeast, and gently stir together. You can either test a small batch or just use the measurements that you're going to be using for your recipe. Now just let your mixture sit for about 10 minutes. If your yeast is still alive, it's going to feed on the sugar and start to get bubbly and frothy, just like this. This yeast is perfect. And after about 10 minutes, if your yeast looks like this, then I'm sorry, it's no good anymore. But if it looks like this, then you're good to go. Have fun baking!